Credit Repair Cloud Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Credit Repair Cloud Review. Links to the product can be found in the description below for more information. In this video, I'll walk you through the features of Credit Repair Cloud, who it's designed for, and how it can benefit those looking to repair or manage their credit effectively. Credit Repair Cloud is a comprehensive software solution tailored for credit repair professionals, as well as individuals who want to manage and repair their own credit. The platform offers a range of tools to help users track and dispute errors on credit reports, manage clients, automate tasks, and streamline the credit repair process. With a user-friendly interface, it's designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals in the credit repair industry. Key features include automated dispute letter generation, an intuitive client management system, and the ability to track progress with detailed reports. The software allows users to create custom dispute letters, send them to creditors, and monitor the status of each case all within one platform. Additionally, Credit Repair Cloud includes training resources and customer support, making it easy for new users to get up to speed quickly. This platform is ideal for those who want to run a credit repair business or for individuals aiming to improve their credit score independently. Whether you're a seasoned credit repair expert or just starting, Credit Repair Cloud provides all the tools you need to succeed. The software's focus on automation saves users significant time while improving efficiency in credit repair efforts. Overall, Credit Repair Cloud is a powerful tool for both credit repair professionals and individuals who need help navigating the complexities of credit management. With its easy-to-use interface, customizable features, and excellent support, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to take control of their credit situation. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.